Hi Gemini, welcome back to Omkara Tarot. Wish you all a very happy Valentine's Day, Gemini. This is a bonus I'm doing for you today, as promised, just to check on your partner's energy to see how they're feeling on this beautiful day about you. What are their hidden feelings? Whether you guys are apart or together, what's under that surface? What's that hidden truth? What is it that they don't tell you? So let's check on them and see what's going on in their heart space. So my angel spirit guides, bless this reading for Gemini. Send them the messages they need to hear from their partner today. Thank you. So Gems, I've already pulled out a angel blessing card. This is from the universe, the angels, and me here at Omkara. Wish you lots and lots of love, happiness, and joy in your life. Happy Valentine's Day, Gemini. So let's begin. We're going to do a small little spread, Gems. This is just a 3-card spread to see what's going on and what your partner would really like to say to you or how they're feeling about you today. So here we go. And these are general collective readings. Gemini will not resonate with all of you out there. Take what works for you. Leave the rest. So bottom of my deck, I do see the King of Pentacles. So they do see you as a very strong, mature person who's well off maybe, or is very practical, can take charge of their life, can take charge of others. But I think there's a bit of silence going on as well. Or maybe this person is just trying to use their intuition right now because you guys are at crossroads. I do see this person feeling a little lost and lonely without you, Gemini. Let's clarify these cards and see why that is. What's this High Priestess spirit? High Priestess for Gemini's person. Oh, the King of Swords. Okay. They're waiting for communication, I think, from you. They feel things, it's not right that maybe it's always them who've reached out or said what they have to say. I think they're waiting for some clear communication from your end. And that's why they're silent. Yes, they don't always want to be the strong one in the relationship, Gemini, it seems. They're waiting to feel the love for a change. And that's why they're keeping quiet and waiting and keeping their secrets, their hidden feelings to themselves right now. They want a balanced relationship and they feel it's time that they held back and let you do the talking for a change. Two of Wands spirit. Two of Wands. As much as they love you, Gemini, this person has a lot of love in their heart for you, that's for sure. But right now, they're at crossroads. They don't know whether they should preserve that love that they have for you or they should release this connection. Why is that, Spirit? Yes, they are not sure. They are waiting for that message, Gems. They're waiting for that message. Maybe in the past there was some kind of a betrayal, or they felt that you guys were at crossroads deciding between two directions or two paths. Now this person is keeping a lid on that cup of love of theirs and waiting to see, will I get that message or is it over? Four of Cups, Spirit. Four of Cups. They're feeling a little disappointed, Gemini, because maybe there is distance between the two of you. There's a problem of reaching the other person. Maybe there's been a lack of communication in the recent past as well. So I do see this person feeling a little sad, in solitude, in hermit mode, not with anyone else, if that's what you're wondering. Okay? They are feeling a little bored, sad, rejected, dejected, and waiting for a change, I think. Let's take a message from their heart and see if they could say something to you, Gems. What would that be now? Gemini's person, Spirit, if they could say something to them. Okay. I didn't have the courage to tell you. Like I said, they've been keeping quiet, maybe thinking or waiting that you'll bring in some clarity to the situation. They didn't have the courage to tell you. Even though they wanted to, maybe they loved you, but somehow they could never tell you. feelings for you are platonic. Maybe that's the way they've been pretending. But heart of hearts, hoping that you would take that first step and change things around. You're all I desire. That's actually what was going on. Even though maybe they were trying to pretend, hey, we're just friends and it really doesn't matter. Heart of hearts, they really loved you, they really desired you, but are at a crossroad right now, wondering whether you'll come towards them or not. So let's see if the Divine Masculine here in this equation had to say something to the Divine Feminine, what that would be. Divine Masculine to the Divine Feminine Spirit. Okay. You make me so nervous. Sometimes it's hard to breathe. So both of you, I think, are haven't told each other how you really feel. Both of you are waiting. The masculine gets nervous around the feminine, and maybe the feminine is the one who's waiting for the masculine to take action here. I can't handle you not being in my life forever. For now, but not forever. Like I said, right now there could be distance or no communication between the two of you. Both of you are in your thoughts, both of you are thinking and saying, hey, maybe the other one's going to reach out first. Let's take a couple of cards from the Divine Feminine to the Masculine now. What would the Divine Feminine like to say, Spirit, in this case? I'm having a really hard time believing that you really love me. Isn't that the storyline here, Gemini? The feminine is feeling, I don't see you saying anything or doing anything or making any decision. So I find it really hard to believe that you actually do love me. My answer will be, Gems, this is the feminine saying, if you would really ask me, my answer will be, yes, I do. So masculines, if you're watching this, don't wait a second longer. Your feminine is waiting for you. And feminine, your masculine is as nervous because they don't know how to kind of step forward. Maybe you guys have been pretending for a long time that we're just friends and, you know, nothing's going to happen or whatever. But heart of hearts, you both really love each other, desire each other. So let's take a true confession as well. One true confession, Spirit. And one from the other side. Thank you. You changed up and that triggers me. And the second card says, I'm happy for you. This seems like a beautiful friendship here, Gemini. Both of you are pretending to be friends and saying, hey, I'm happy for you, or if you're happy, the other person saying, hey, you don't show me and I don't show you. So there's a lot of that going on here. But I do see both of you really admire each other. The masculine sees his feminine as abundant and beautiful and very well put together. The feminine is looking at the masculine as the person they can spend the rest of their life with. So that's what's going on in their heart space, Gemini. I hope this helped. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.